In today's video, I'll show you how to post a video ad using Facebook Ads Manager, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If you want to promote a product, service, or page using video ads, Facebook Ads Manager is the right tool. Don't worry, it may look complex at first, but the process is actually simple when you follow the steps. First, open your browser and go to Facebook Ads Manager. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that has access to your business page. Once Ads Manager opens, click the Create button to start a new ad. Next, you'll need to choose an ad objective. This tells Facebook what result you want. For video ads, common choices are awareness, traffic, engagement, or leads. Select the objective that matches your goal, then click Continue. Now you're in the Ad Set section. Here, you'll define your audience. Choose the location, age range, gender, and interests of the people you want to reach. After that, set your budget and schedule. You can choose a daily budget or a lifetime budget and decide how long your ad will run. Once that's done, move to the ad level. This is where you upload your video. First, select the Facebook page you want the ad to run from. Then, under the Ad Creative section, choose Add Media and upload your video file. After uploading the video, write your primary text, headline, and optional description. This is what people will read along with your video, so keep it clear and simple. You can also add a call to action button like Learn More, Shop Now, or Sign Up. Before publishing, take a moment to preview your ad. Check how it looks on mobile and desktop placements. If everything looks good, click Publish. Facebook will review your ad, and once it's approved, your video ad will start running based on your settings. And that's how you post a video ad using Facebook Ads Manager. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.